Welcome to Travel Therapy Guide's 5-minute or less video tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to do some tax preparation, the best and cheapest ways to get your travel taxes done for tax season. Tax preparation. There's a number of ways that you can prepare your taxes. You can go to traveltax.com. They're really popular for travelers because they have an idea of the rules and regulations that come with the travel field. You can also go to professional tax preparer services at various locations such as H&R Block, and you can also get tax preparation software so that you can do it yourself. Some of the big names for software include TurboTax, H&R Block, and actually the IRS has a free file. I'm going to go into details in the next slide on all of these. So basically we all want to know, where's the free tax prep, right? So TurboTax has an absolute zero edition. That's the link right there. You can copy that. This, however, is for only if you do a simple return, such as the 1040EZ or the 1040A form. You can file, though, for state and for federal for free, and you can make $100,000 or less and file under the TurboTax Absolute Zero Edition. IRS also has a free filing. It's called IRS Free File, and you can get that at the link I've got below. This, however, is for only if you've made $64,000 or less, but you can file for free federally and with the state. If you made more than $64,000, you can use the IRS's fillable forms, which come with more limited instruction. They don't really do as much of the calculations for you. They don't guide you through it as much, but you can fill out those for free if you make $64,000, and there is some guidance. But you also should know that the state is not included in that. So you can file the federal for free, but you won't be able to file a state for free. And then lastly, there's H&R Block called More Zero, and that link is below there. You can file for free federal and state, and there's not really a limitation for the earnings. It's also around $100,000, and the forms included for this are a little bit more broad. It's the 1040EZ, the 1040A, and the 1040 with a Schedule A. Online software does come with some limitations. Many software won't allow you to file for free if you also are claiming investment profit or losses, business profit losses or deductions, and if you have multiple state returns. You can often do the federal and one state, but you won't be able to do the second state or the third state that you may have with a traveler. So that's something that complicates the tax returns. Many software, however, can be trialed for free, and you only pay for when you file. So if you are new to TurboTax or H&R Block and you just don't know which one to do, you could trial one, go through half of it, and if you don't like the software, try a different one, or if you like the software, you can go all the way through it, and it's a great way to check your answers as well. TurboTax has the Deluxe Premier Small Business, where you only pay when you file, and H&R Block has the same thing where the Deluxe Premium and Small Business packages only pay when you file. So the software, you can try that, see if you understand that, and then you can decide if you want to use that or if you want to use something more high-end, such as going through a tax preparer. Usually software is going to be more inexpensive because you're doing it yourself, but you may come with more questions because you are a traveler. Now, I want to note that you are not forced to do any of this. You can go to the IRS's website and download a 1040A, 1040EZ, and do it yourself on paper, and it has all the instructions included. Now, there may be some complicated questions that as a traveler you don't know what to do, and so that's where a CPA or professional tax preparer may come in handy. But you can always have that option to do by paper. You don't have to pay for anything whatsoever other than the shipping to send the papers to the IRS. So that's it for this tutorial. So you've got TurboTax, H&R Block, and the IRS all providing you with free tax preparation software. So give that a look, check out those links, and hopefully that helps you save a couple bucks. Read more at debtfreep.com or check out my book. Thanks, guys.